Good morning, students. In this lecture, I will be dealing with network communication. So let's begin. A network is a set of devices, often referred to as nodes, connected by communication links. So what is a network? It's a set of devices, and these devices are connected by what? Communication links. Or a network is simply two or more computers that are linked together, or else it's simply two or more computers, and these computers are linked or connected together. So a node can be a computer, printer, or any other device which are capable of sending and or receiving data which are generated by other nodes on the network. Now let's look into benefits of a network. Authorized users in benefits of a network, first one is information sharing. So authorized users can use other computers on the network to access and share information and data. So what the authorized users can do is they can use other computers on the network for what? In order to access and share what? Information and data. This could include special group projects, databases, etc. Next is hardware sharing. So one device connected to a network such as a printer or a scanner can be shared by many users. So in a network communication, what happens is one device that is connected to a network such as a printer or a scanner, and this can be shared by many users who are connected using these links. Next is software sharing. So instead of purchasing and installing a software program on each computer, it can be installed on the server. So a main server will be there in which the software program will be installed. So instead of purchasing and installing a software program on each computer, it can be installed on what? It can be installed on the server. All of the users can then access the program from a single location. So what happens is all the users who are connected using these network computers can access the program from a single location. And the fourth point is collaborative environment. So users can work together on group projects by combining the power and capabilities of diverse equipments. So what happens in a collaborative environment is users they can work together on group projects by combining the power and capabilities of diverse equipments. So this is all for today. Thank you.